Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make yourself look taller. In your videos on CapCut PC, you can try going to uniform scale and just adjusting the height, but it's going to affect the video behind it as well. So I'm just going to double click that and turn it on again. Just go to enhance here and scroll down until you find body. Click that button and go to legs, and you're just going to adjust the legs here. It's going to make yourself appear taller because the legs go like longer. You can also like adjust other things, but I'm just going to adjust the legs portion just to make it look taller, like so. And that is it. So there's two ways you can use the stretch one, or you can use this feature right here. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.